Hi, so I'm here at Copenhagen Airport and it's night and I want to plane spot some planes, and there's an SAS A320 coming in, so I'm just going to film that now. There's another plane coming, and I might just have time to check what it is. It's a Norwegian Airlines 737 MAX 8. I just about had time to check, and it's coming in now. Right now it is freezing, so sorry if there's a little bit of shaking, but the Norwegian Airlines 737 MAX 8 is coming right now, right there. The next plane seems to be an SAS CRJ900LR, and currently I can't see it, but it's gonna come very soon, so I better get ready to film it. Alright, there it is, and it's quite far away, so I do have time to tell you that the next plane coming after it is an SAS A320. It's not far behind it, so it was good that I checked before filming this quick, because I don't think I would have had time to check it, because the A320 seems to be flying very close behind this CRJ900LR. But yeah, now it's the SAS CRJ900LR. Now the A320 CO is coming, not the new. This is a current engine option, or CO version, but right after it, I've already checked, is another SAS A320, and this next one after this one is a neo, so yeah. But here comes the SAS A320 CO. So yeah, and as I've already said, it is quite cold here. It's the middle of the night in December. I haven't told you what date it is. Currently it's December 17th. I don't know if it will be that when these videos come out, but currently it's December 17th. But anyway, now it's the A320 CO from SAS. Now here comes another A320, this one being a neo, and I've already checked it. Next plane coming after it is another SAS A320 neo, so we're getting a lot of SAS here. Well, that is quite normal for Copenhagen Kastrup Airport. It's one of the main hubs of SAS, so it does make sense, but They could have a little bit more variety. But anyway, now it's coming in for landing. Here comes another A320neo from SAS. After this we get a little bit more variety with another Norwegian Airlines 747 MAX 8. Not the most variety in the world, but at least it's a bit of variety. Anyways, here it is. The next plane that's coming, I think this is a Norwegian Airlines one, and it's coming very soon, so I better get filming. So there it is. I'm pretty sure it's a Norwegian Airlines 747 MAX 8. Yeah, there it is. Here it is, another A320ceo from SAS. At least at night the variety here at Copenhagen Kastrup is not the best. I mean, we've gotten a lot of SAS and 2 Norwegian Airlines. That's not a lot of variety, but I guess it's fine. I mean, it is the busiest airport in all of Scandinavia, so I guess that's good. But a lot of the business is just from SAS. This one is a CRJ900LR from CityJet. Supposedly I think it's flying for SAS, but it's landing. So it's very cold out there, and it's gonna be a minute before there's more planes, like a few minutes, because I saw on flight radar 24 there is not any planes coming for like a few minutes, so I can heat up my hands, which were starting to get a little bit cold. It's very cold out there. So yeah, I'll see you when the next plane comes around. While I'm waiting for some planes to come in and land, I'm just going to film a little bit over here, where there are some parked planes, most of them SAS. There might be some that are not, but currently I don't see those. So yeah, that's just a few planes. Oh, and just in case you want to know the location of this Planespotting, I can show you the location of it. I'm at that gray dot right there. That's the airport, so I'm up here. And that is Yeah, now it showed up as a blue dot, but anyway, that's where I am, and that's where I'm plane spotting currently. So yeah, that's all great. Now another plane is coming, and it seems to be a CRJ 900 LR from CityJet for the second time tonight. Yeah, CityJet CRJ 900 LR flying for SAS, I think. It does seem to be a good landing so far. And there was a touchdown. The next one coming, which you can't see right now. I can't see it either, but it's somewhere out there. Is a LOT Embraer E190 STD. I don't know what STD stands for, but I'll probably have the registration and screenshot I took from Flight Radar 24 up in the corner, probably. Here we have the LOT E190 STD. And the next plane, I can't say it for sure because it's quite far away and another plane might be pushed in before it. The next plane after this is probably an SRS CRJ 900 LR. But anyway, here's the LOT E190. It looks good. It looks very good. It looks to be a good landing, and that seems to be an okay landing. Great. It seems that I was right, because this is an SAS CRJ 900 LR from SAS. So it seems that I was right, which you know, it's always good when you're right. At least most of the time. Anyway, seems good. It seems very good. And now it seems to become a little bit blurry, and it seems to have landed. Good. This right here is an SAS ERJ 195 LR. Next after it is a KLM 747-800. The exact version will be shown when up in the corner. But anyway, finally another aircraft. There it is. That right there is a KLM 747 8K2, which is just a version of the 800, just so you know. So I'll just call it an 800. I don't really need to call it anything else, but anyways, after this there's SAS A320 CEO again. But anyway, I think it looks pretty cool. I really like KLM. Fun fact, KLM is actually the oldest airline still in service. It's been here for over 100 years. Which I think that's pretty cool. Alright, so right there is an SAS A320 And after this one, there's gonna be an Brussels Airlines A319. So yeah. But anyway, here comes the SAS A320ceo. There it is. That small light right there, that's the Brussels Airlines A319. And this actually reminds me of last year, because around a year ago I stood at this exact spot and filmed planes at night at this again at this exact spot, just with my phone instead, because I didn't have the my camera at that point. I got it in January the year after, which is this year. This camera I got in January of this year, but before that I had stood out here on this exact same occasion, which is waiting for somebody who's gonna come with a plane, and then randomly having time to film, just because we got out here a little bit early. But anyway, I was here last year doing the exact same thing, and I just think that's kind of funny. But anyway, Brussels Airlines A319. The next plane car that's gonna come, which I can see it out there, is an Austrian Airlines A320-200, and that's it's gonna be the last plane in this video, because we need to pick someone up and they just landed. But anyway, here comes the last plane of this trip to the airport, of this video. So, yeah. Let's do it. There it is. I mean, it's a bit blurry currently, and it's just a square of light, but there's the last plane of today. Come on. And it was just a square of lights. Seriously. We just got to see a lot of squares of lights. Well, that was disappointing. Well, I guess that's about a good time to end it off anyway. With just squares of Austrian Airlines A320-200 lights. But yeah, that's that for this video. Bye.